Okay, so Joe Bond reports live. I am here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and I can't remember what the name of this airport is, but I don't really care right now because I'm so excited. I have just walked up from my hotel along the beach into the public beach where all the locals are swimming. I walked around through this coral outcrop with nothing but bare feet, and I'm here. Now, I'm so excited. There are the lights at night to light up the runway for the incoming planes that are flying in. And there is one flying in, you cannot see it. It is this speck. All I can see is the lights, but you're gonna hear it. I'm so pumped. I'm gonna have to hang on, because when I was in Saint Martin all those years ago, I stood on the beach in Bay Rouge, in Saint Martin, right there where the planes flew overhead. So this is almost as good, but not quite. But I'm still pumped, so here it comes. I did look on Flight Radar and I knew all the information on what airlines, where it's come from, and I can't remember because there's Leanne, she's sitting over there, she just doesn't want to, she goes, I'm not excited. I said I am. Man, here it comes. Can you see it? It's just, I can't, I'm so pumped. And there's these two guys up here. He's a plane spotter, that little kid, the young man, plane spotter. He's a local Jamaican from Montego Bay. Absolutely. So many bucket list ticks in this trip, I tell you. I never thought I'd ever come to Jamaica. Ready. He's so excited. Leanne. It's coming. I'm hanging on. It's just pumped as. Oh. What is it? Look at that! Southwest, I knew it! See? I've got to get further around. I just found a hole in there. I'm going to do it. Joe Bond reports live, Montego Bay.